Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Ampriling village. We are going to see a beautiful waterfall in Umsila river. So let's go. Many people are sitting there. See guys, it's very beautiful place is here. We enjoyed a lot. It's very sunny day, so my kids want to take bath. They enjoy a lot. It's so beautiful place. Many people from Assam are coming for picnic and shooting videos. This place is near border Assam and Meghalaya. Hope you like it guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.